Welcome to our guide on vendor maintenance in Docyt. Let's begin. Start by logging into your Docyt account. Select the Expense Management drop-down menu and choose Vendors. In the Vendors section, select My Vendors. Accessing vendor profiles. Go to the My Vendors section to view all the vendors associated with your business. Here, you can add new vendors or import vendors from QuickBooks. Archived vendors can be found in the Archived tab and are not visible in the Active tab. To invite a vendor to Docyt, select Invite Vendor to Docyt. Enter the vendor's email address in the pop-up and click Continue. The vendor will receive an email from Docyt with a sign-up link. Updating vendor details. Click on the vendor name to access the vendor details page. Update information such as email, fax, contact details, address book, payments, ACH, and W-9 info. Managing addresses. In the Address Book tab, you can choose an address to be pushed to QuickBooks, known as the ledger address. Click on Set as Ledger Address and click on the Confirm button. Docyt Business Network. The Docyt Business Network provides a list of all global vendors available in Docyt. From here, you can select one or more vendors and click Add to My Vendors. You can also remove vendors as needed. Adding new vendors. When adding the new vendor, you have three options: import from Ledger, add from vendors in the Docyt Business Network, or create a new vendor from scratch. Managing QuickBooks Online connections. On the My Vendors screen, look for the connections icon next to each vendor's name. This icon indicates the current status of the vendor's connection with QuickBooks Online. Connected vendors are synced with QuickBooks Online, while vendors without a connection are marked as not connected. And there you have it. You have now learned how to create, edit, and review vendor profiles in Docyt. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.